Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on software licensing with Microsoft, full guide step by step clearly. Research your software needs thoroughly. Identify which Microsoft products are essential for your organization. Determine the number of licenses required for each software. Explore Microsoft's licensing options, including volume licensing and subscription models. Visit the official Microsoft website to access the licensing overview page. Review the various licensing programs available, such as Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Azure. Consider Microsoft's enterprise agreement for larger organizations. Check if your organization qualifies for Microsoft discounts through educational or nonprofit programs. Leverage Microsoft Software Assurance for access to updates and additional benefits. Compare the costs of outright purchases versus subscription models for your specific needs. Evaluate if Microsoft's cloud solution providers can offer competitive pricing or bundles. Look into Microsoft's promotional deals that may provide savings. Join the Microsoft Partner Network to gain access to potential discounts. Attend Microsoft events or webinars that often feature exclusive offers. Utilize Microsoft's documentation and support to better understand licensing terms and conditions. Consult with an IT advisor who specializes in Microsoft products for personalized strategies. Review your current usage to ensure you're not over-licensed. Regularly assess your software utilization to adjust licenses accordingly. Plan for future growth by considering scalability in your licensing choices. Implement a centralized management system for tracking licenses. Stay informed about changes to Microsoft licensing policies or pricing. Schedule regular check-ins to revisit your software licensing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.